How to use Honk Mobile App. In order to use Honk Mobile App for parking, you need to download the app from your App Store or Google Play. So head over to your respective App Store. On the search box, you want to type in Honk app. So when you locate it, click on the install button. It's gonna take a while, so just a couple of seconds. Once it is completely installed, click the open button and it will then take you to this page. So first of all, you want to make sure to enable the permission or just click on don't allow. After which you also need to go ahead and make sure to enable and click on the continue button. If you're sure about it, just read the terms and click on enable notification, or if you don't need it, so then just click on. Then you could either go ahead and log in or click on sign up. Now you could sign up with your Google account or maybe Facebook. So I'm just simply gonna log in with my Google account. And once you've done it, you'll have successfully created your account, and after which you could then go ahead and add in the phone number. Then you could go ahead and use these options like by zone ID or maybe by address or view map and all that, and that way you'll be able to use Honk app. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.